Hello there, today's video is a bit different. I'd been planning to do a good old colour blocking flat lay for quite a while and wanted to team up with an Australian brand to show you the beauty of combining beauty and accessories. Not an ad or a sponsored video, I just wanted to get creative and come up with something aesthetically pleasing. Many of you have asked about my monogrammed makeup bags in previous videos, and they're from a brand called The Daily Edited. TDE is run by a friend of mine who turned a blog into a multi-million-dollar global business. Elise Tran's hobby outside her full-time job, much like these videos are for me, quickly turned into a crazy successful career for her. Monogramming madness was just taking off, and TDE created luxury-looking leather goods at a more affordable price point than high-end designers. It all started with a simple pouch and has now grown to hundreds of products seen in the hands of many a supermodel, makeup artist, even Kylie Jenner straight after she had her baby. My TDE makeup bags are a much loved part of my monochrome life. I'm a real black and white person in terms of style, shoes, bags, even interior design. To me, there's something so pleasing about having a makeup bag overflowing with black and white brushes and bits from brands like NARS or Chanel. If you're more of a millennial pink person, your cosmetic case can quickly match all of your baby blush beauty items from Glossier too. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you'll know that pink eyeshadow is actually one of my favourite shades. If sometimes black feels a bit heavy, maybe you could try more of a blue mood. And no, maybe not blue lipstick for me, but this one from Lipstick Queen is a crazy colour changing formula that turns into a subtle mauve on the lips and looks slightly different on everyone. Otherwise, a bold blue eyeliner or shadow is a nice summery surprise instead of going for the usual black or grey smoky shades. Burgundy is certainly the most commonly found colour in my makeup collection. I love rich, rusty tones on the eyes and dark vampy berries on the lips. You can get all geared up to travel with your chosen TDE colour combo, and it might even end up matching more items than you think. For something softer, maybe go for Dove Grey. It's a harder colour to wear on the face without washing you out a bit, but a really nice neutral on the nails or in accessory form to pair with just about any outfit. Similarly, Cream could be just the subtle colour you're looking for to match those concealers, tinted moisturisers and base eyeshadows. Or if you're feeling bold, go all out with bright pinks on your lips, cheeks and on your makeup brushes. It wouldn't be a complete colour blocking beauty edit without some ruby reds, a statement on the lips and even more so on the eyes. What's not to love about red lipstick? Please share your most common colour moods or colour blocking combos in the comments. Do you ever match up your makeup look to your accessories or your outfit? And please tell me if you have anything from The Daily Edited at home. They ship internationally and have stores in Australia, Singapore and the US, and many more pop-up events around the world each year. A big thank you to Elise, Eleni and the team at TDE who let me borrow some monogrammed pieces for this video and also surprised me with a very generous voucher to pick up some new accessories for my upcoming travels. Might run into some of you in their New York store soon. See you next time.